A man found a snakeskin in the wilderness. He wrapped it around his hand, and suddenly, a golden light flashed. From then on, he possessed many extraordinary abilities. Wherever he went, he could unearth gold. When his tears fell to the ground, flowers would bloom. Fierce beasts became incredibly tame in his presence. However, these exceptional powers did not make his life better, for the world he lived in was a wasteland. The entire world was lifeless and desolate. Living around them were a group of stone people who treated them terribly. In this environment, even gold turned into waste rock. One night, the man had a dream. He dreamt of a mountain covered in green trees, seemingly inhabited by many humans. The next day, he persuaded a stone person to protect them as they searched for the mountain from his dream. Soon, they found the mountain, but only an old man resided there. The elder gave him a seed and told him it would bring him good fortune. That night, the man had another dream. He dreamt of a flood erupting, drowning countless lives. At that moment, the seed on the water's surface transformed into a boat. The animals that had drowned suddenly came back to life and swam towards the large vessel. Upon waking, he realized this might be a future event, and the miraculous seed could be a life-saving treasure. He hurriedly planted the seed. The next day, a fountain of water gushed out from where the seed was planted. The water flowed in all directions, revitalizing the places it passed through. With the help of the stone people, the man began building a large ship. Countless birds and animals rushed into the vessel, as if they knew disaster was imminent and this was the safest place. The man sprinkled mist to lull the animals into slumber and then accelerated the construction speed. At this point, the human leader appeared, wanting to seize the ship. The man refused. The stone people stood up, frightening the leader into silence. He begged the man to save a few spots on the ship for his family, but the man rejected him without hesitation. Feeling insulted, the leader gathered his army, preparing to attack. Suddenly, roars of various beasts echoed from all around. All kinds of animals rushed in from every direction, aiming to enter the life-saving ark. They all shouldered the mission of continuing their genes. In contrast, in the human gathering place, people were killing each other. Systems and rules had long ceased to exist, and the ugliness of human nature was laid bare. The man finally understood the reason for this catastrophe.